Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to unlock 2004 Chevy Silverado door, full guide. Start by checking for a manual key slot on the driver door and test the key first. If no key access works, try simple electronic checks like battery and fuse inspection. I will walk you through safe manual methods, how to use a shoelace or wedge technique gently, and when to call a locksmith so you avoid damage. Before you begin, make sure your workspace is safe and well lit, and that you have the right tools at hand. I will show how to position a wedge or shim correctly and how to avoid collapsing weather strips when creating a gap. You will learn where to insert a reach tool or rope and how to manipulate the interior lock lever without ripping upholstery. These simple precautions prevent costly door or window damage. I will explain 3 reliable entry methods that work for many Silverado doors when electronics fail. First, use a shoelace or rope loop if the lock knob is visible and reachable through a small gap. Second, employ a slim gym-style tool cautiously to engage the lock actuator rod without snagging wiring. Third, I will guide you through safe panel removal steps and tips to protect clips and trim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.